In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to categorize transactions in Zoho Books. Let's get started by diving right into the process, ensuring that you can handle your financial records smoothly and effectively. First things first, you need to access the banking module. So, log into your Zoho Books account and you'll find the navigation menu on the left-hand side of your screen. Look for the banking section. This is where all the magic happens in terms of managing your bank transactions. Once you're there, you'll need to select the specific bank account that contains the transactions you're aiming to categorize. This step ensures that you're looking at the correct financial data, and it sets a strong foundation for the categorizations you're about to carry out. Next, it's time to focus on those transactions that have not yet been categorized. In your selected bank account, you'll see a tab marked Uncategorized Transactions. Simply click on it to view all the transactions that are currently neither matched nor categorized. This is your workspace for today. It's where you'll bring clarity and order to these financial records. Now, onto the heart of the process, categorizing each transaction. For every uncategorized transaction that you see, there's a simple and effective process you can follow. Observe each transaction and click on the Categorize button you find next to it. This action brings up a new pane where you'll need to provide all the necessary details to categorize the transaction properly. Starting with the transaction type, you'll select whether it's an expense, an income, a transfer, or another type of transaction. This step is crucial because it provides the primary context for the transaction and dictates how it will be reflected in your financial reports. Next, move on to the category field. Here, you'll choose the appropriate category that best describes the transaction, such as office supplies or bank charges. Selecting the right category ensures that all your expenses and income streams are tracked accurately and can be analyzed effectively later. Don't forget to fill in the payee or payer field. Enter the name of the person or organization involved in the transaction. This helps in building a comprehensive financial picture that is easy to refer back to. Then, move on to verify the amount. Double-check the amount listed on the transaction to ensure accuracy and make any necessary adjustments to reflect the actual figure. Finally, confirm the date. It's important that the date matches the transaction date as it appears on your bank statement. This meticulous attention to detail guarantees that your records are aligned chronologically. When all these fields have been filled out correctly, click Save to categorize the transaction officially. There you have it. By following these steps, you'll find that categorizing transactions in Zoho Books becomes a straightforward and efficient task, helping to keep your financial records organized and up to date.